Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see how to make rotis with white rice. For this recipe I've taken 4 cups cooked rice, half cup finely chopped onion, 2 teaspoons finely chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half cup finely chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons rice flour, salt, oil and water as needed. First, I'm going to smash the rice. We can add some warm water while smashing. As you can see, the rice is smashed well. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients and mix it. The rice has to be soft so it'll be easy to make rotis. If it's too dry, we can always add warm water while smashing the rice. If we have any leftover white rice, we can always try this recipe. If you need to, you can add more rice flour. Rice is ready to make rotis. I'm going to wet my hand. Take some rice, roll it into a ball. It should be a size of a tennis ball. Place it on hot griddle and spread it into a round roti. When we spread it on the griddle, make sure it's not too thick. We can add some oil or ghee. This rice roti is cooked well both the sides. We can try this with coconut chutney or basil chutney. This is a very easy and tasty recipe. Please try this and send me your comments to iinspire.2020@gmail.com and also subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching.